right, Forex market situation update. This is the second time today, guys. We got a bit of a surprise here for you. I think you're gonna like this one. It's the New Zealand versus the Canadian. We've been following up on this one for quite some time, but at some point we took a break. We stopped watching it. We kept an eye on it, a distant eye, but didn't really engage with the New Zealand Canadian because we felt that it was breaking out. It was breaking out of 9203, the last resistance level here. But even though we thought it was gonna be a false breakout, we still kind of removed it from our speed bar. And we just noted that we should check up on it every now and then because it will probably come back, and once it does, we're gonna try to jump in. Now, the truth of the matter is we kind of missed out on a big part of that comeback, right? Because as you can see, the comeback happened a few days ago. Right now, it's just a nosedive. That's what we have right now. It's just literally prices collapsing here in a very intense fashion. But hey, I think we still got some time to catch about 100 pip. Right after this video, guys, we're pulling the trigger here on the New Zealand Canadian, which right now, as you can see, negative momentum is off the charts, right? And we got two targets here to work with. We got one at 90.23, which is like less than 50 pip, right? It's a very close target for us to work with here. And if we didn't have the extended target at 89.62, we probably wouldn't take it at the, in the first place. So basically, here's the game plan. 89.62, by the way, just to set the record straight. 89.62 not only represents the previous low, which it clearly does, but it's actually a Fibonacci projection of the previous opposite move, which is going to be this one from bottom to top, right? Just try 161.8. It'll put you exactly here. And I have a strong suspicion that price will tag that level. It will ride it out all across 90.23, tag that, keep breaking, and then take the previous low, but nail that 89.62 before either turning back up or completely breaking down. Because here's the situation. We've been looking at the New Zealand Canadian trading sideways ever since roughly December 2020 with this downside move, and then we had that upside move. That was the second leg. Then price was supposed to reach back with a third leg and hit the lower section. That never happened. It just kept hovering upwards as if it was about to break out, but it never really did. It was just excess noise here on the top. All right, so as you can see, the pair here keeps pushing downwards as I speak, so I better end this video and go right ahead, pull the trigger before we were gonna miss out on all of this move, right, which is about 100 pip roughly. All right, so let's get to it. I'm gonna be doing what I gotta do here. I'm gonna come back probably next week, somewhere around middle next week or something like that, to follow up on the situation if it's gonna be necessary. All right, guys, that's about that. That's about that. I wish you a nice trading day and a good weekend. We'll be back on Monday, guys. Take care.